Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Who can sound like a cow? Who can sound like a cow? Say it, don't say me. Who can sound like a cow? Yes, Josephine. Louder. Everybody, can you sound like a cow? Everybody. Very good. Flowers to you. Everybody, flowers to you. Flowers to you. Who can sound like a lion? Who can sound like a lion? Yes, Peter. Again? Again? Everybody sound like a lion? Everybody? Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap once. Clap once. Another one.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
Before we can start our lesson, I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Who can give us examples of animals that you know. Yes, Keza. We have a lion. Very good. Can you clap for Keza? Another example of animal. Yes, Peter. Cheetah. Very good. A cheetah is another example of animal. Can we clap for him once? Another one. What do you think is the lesson of today? Yes, Keza. Very good. Can you clap for Keza once? Clap for her once? Twice? Very good. We are going to study about animals. About animals. And under animals, we are going to be specific about wild animals. About can you read for me this? About wild animals. Everybody. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify at least 4 examples of wild animals.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the 2 principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
I'm going to play for your video, okay? But I want everybody to be attentive. I want everybody to be attentive. After the video, I'm going to ask you some questions that you followed, okay? Yes. If you are ready, let me see your thumb up.
I can see a bunch of lions too. Teacher Iriho told us that the lion is the king of all animals.
Look over there, Kanta. I recognize that animal. It is a cheetah, the fastest animal in the world. A zebra! Wow!
Based on our video, who can present to us one animal that you followed from that video? Yes, Joseph. Only one animal that you followed from the video, yes? Yes. Cheetah, very good. Another one. Which animal have you followed from there?
Zebra.
Zebra. Beautiful. All those animals that you've mentioned, such as a lion, cheetah, an elephant, they were there in our video, okay? Friends, where do you think those animals live? Yes, please. Yes, my friend. They live in the bush. Flowers to our friend, flowers to our friend. Very good, very good. I'm going to display this chart here, okay? You like a chart? Yes. Very good. Okay, friends, let us follow this chart here. Let us follow this chart here. Who can identify for me image A? Who can identify for me image A? Yes, John. Image A is a lion. Image A is a lion. Everybody say lion. 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 A lion is a big animal with a lot of hair around its neck. With a lot of hair around its neck. Thank you so much. Who can identify image B? Image B. Yes, Paul. Okay, image B, it is an elephant. Can we give flowers to Paul? Wow. An elephant is a big animal with a long trunk, with big ears. Okay? Let us go to image C. Identify image C. Yes, Keza. Image C is a cow. Thank you so much. You can sit. A cow is an animal with the horns. Okay? Now let us go to image D. Image D is a zebra, and it is also an example of animal that we have. Are we together? Are we together, friends? Now, friends, basing on what we have followed, okay? Can we identify some animals that are found in our community? Can we identify, apart from those animals, the one we have identified or have followed in the video, the animals we have followed from the chart, let us now identify animals that are found in our community. Yes, Josephine, yes? A goat, very good. Another one, yes? Speak louder. A dog, thank you so much. Yes, my friend. A cat, thank you so much. It is found in our community. Just as you have said, wild animals are animals that live in the bush. Can you repeat after me? Wild animals are animals that live in the bush. Such as lion, zebra, an elephant, cheetah, and many others. And many others. Oh, you are good children. Can you clap yourself once? Clap for yourselves once.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
Now, from group 1 up to group 4, you are going to rate 4 examples of wild animals. You are going to rate 4 examples of wild animals. Then group 5 and 6, you are going to rate 4 examples of domestic animals.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
Group 1 is here. Can you give us your findings? The rest follow your friend. Follow your friend, okay? Number 2? Number 3? Number 4? Very good. Let us go. Can you clap for this group? Flowers to this group? Very good. Okay, group 2. One person, put your findings here like this. Your findings there. Okay, can you present it to your friends? Louder. Okay. Okay. Very good. Flowers to this group. Very good. After having followed our topic of today, and our topic of today has been worldly animals. Has been worldly animals. And just as we have said, that worldly animals are animals that live in the bush. And we gave examples as an elephant, a cheetah, a lion, a tiger, and many others. We are going to have our homework here. Our homework is saying, read and draw these animals. A, lion. B, zebra. Question 2, what are wild animals? And once you finish your homework very well, remember to bring your book for marking. And thank you so much for your participation in our science lesson. Let us meet in the next period. Bye. Bye. Bye.